So Jill is on the bus right now. I just dropped him off, and I am going to go get some more hauls because I'm out of hauls, and I still have the cough. I still have the stupid cough. Today is Wednesday, November 9th. And I'm gonna go get my nails done because I decided that I'm gonna do it today instead of wait. And I'm gonna do it today. I'm not gonna wait because I will be 38 weeks on Friday, and then next Saturday is when I have my scheduled C-section. So yeah, here's the belly today. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm gonna go hop in my car and get out of here. I'll see you guys when I get there. Much better. Shut up. So I got my nails done. This is called Rock and Rose and Glitter for You by D&D Daisy something. So Jesus, this cough is getting on my nerve. They did my eyebrows, but it's okay. I'm gonna have to go home and fix this because I don't know what this is. And then she called herself trying to pencil in, lady, if you don't get out of my face. So I gotta go home and fix. I'm so shiny. I gotta go home and fix my eyebrows. And it's now 3 o'clock and I'm still in my car. It's raining. It's raining and I'm just eating lunch. I have me a strawberry milkshake from McDonald's. Yeah. I'm gonna come go home and pick up the babies. My husband's picking up dinner. So that's that. So I'll see you guys when I get home. It's such a rainy, gloomy day. But I'm back in the house. I'm back in the house and I'm gonna record my I don't like my nails. I don't know. I just don't like the color. It's not. I wanted to get something that was like kind of fallsy, like fall color-ish. But I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. If you like the color like that. Let me know if you guys like them. But I don't know. I might go back and change them if I want. You know what I mean? Closer. Gotta be careful with this volume. But I'm gonna go. I'm gonna charge this battery because the battery needs to charge. And the babies are almost home from school, and I have to clean my bathroom. So let's go see what. I have to clean this bathroom. I have to clean my bathroom. Look at that. Look at the belly. I have to clean my bathroom. And excuse me. Oh, I'm so full. So full. That milkshake really did fill me up. Oh, oh God, I have contractions. Oh. 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 I might have to go dance this off so I can stop feeling so bloated. I'm not bloated, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Get my child support and pay my rent. Pay my rent. Your opinion is irrelevant. Relevant, because I'm a baby mama. I can do just what I want. If you my baby mama. No, that's inappropriate. See y'all later, guys.